What if you could turn this into reality just by typing a sentence? Hi, I'm Kevin, and Google just released Veo 3, an AI video generator that turns your imagination into cinematic quality videos using nothing more than a simple prompt. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to use Veo 3, how to write better prompts, and how to get the most out of it, even if you're brand new to AI video tools. Oh, and best of all, you could use it for free for an entire month. Let's dive in. So what is Google Veo 3? Veo 3 is Google's latest AI video generation model built by DeepMind, and it lets you create cinematic quality videos from just a text prompt. It understands things like camera movement, lighting, and composition, so the results feel polished and natural, far beyond most AI tools. But here's what really sets it apart. Veo 3 doesn't just generate video, it also adds audio automatically, like here in this example.
I'm one with nature now. Nature would prefer some personal space.
That includes background music, ambient sound effects, and even voice narration if you wanted to speak specific lines of text. And honestly, it looks darn good. To use Veo 3, you need a paid plan. The good news though, you can try it for free for the first month, giving you a chance to see everything that Veo 3 is capable of. You can explore the available plans using the link right down below on the screen. Both plans include access to Veo 3. In addition to AI video generation, you also get access to things like Gemini and Gmail, Docs, and more. Plus, you also get 2 terabytes of storage for your Google Photos, Drive, and email. All in all, it's a solid deal and pretty much in line with what other companies are charging for their AI tools. Once you've signed up for a plan, head over to the address at the bottom of the screen and then sign in with your Google account. This drops us into the Gemini chat interface, and at the bottom of the screen, you'll see the prompt field along with a few different tools. Let's click on the one titled Video, and that turns on Veo 3. From there, you can start typing in your prompt. Let's try one. A cinematic slow motion shot of freshly baked chocolate chip cookies being pulled out of the oven. Then you could also offer information like, where is it? Here, I want it to be in a cozy sunlit kitchen. You could also talk about the lighting. I want it to be warm. What the focus should look like. Any atmospheric effects like steam rising. And also if you want to include any music. The more details you provide, the closer the resulting video will match what you had in mind. Once you're done entering in your prompt in the bottom right, let's submit that. Let's now watch how it turned out. Overall, that's really impressive. I did notice a few issues. For example, for whatever reason, some of the chocolate chips completely melted on top of the cookie, but overall, it matches my prompt really closely. I'm really impressed. One cool feature of Veo 3 is that it doesn't just generate video, it can also add narration. If you wanted to speak specific lines of text, just include that text in quotes as part of your prompt. Right here, I'll type in my prompt, and at the very end, I call out that this is the narration, and then here I have all the text that I want it to narrate included in quotes. Once you enter that in as part of your prompt, let's submit that. Let's preview how this turned out.
History is being made. The Kevin Cookie Company unveils the world's largest chocolate chip cookie.
That voice really fits the part. Once you're satisfied with the way your video turned out, it's really easy to download. Simply hover over your video. Then in the top right-hand corner, you'll see this download icon. Simply click on that and it'll download an MP4 file onto your computer. And that's it. You're ready to use your AI-generated video wherever you want. One really helpful trick when you're not sure how to phrase your Veo 3 prompt is to just ask Gemini. Since Veo 3 lives right inside Gemini, you can use the same chat to help you refine or improve your ideas before you generate the video. Now, let's say I want to make a video about the Kevin Cookie Company baking the world's largest chocolate chip cookie, but I'm not quite sure how to word it to get that cinematic storybook vibe. Right down below, I could simply ask Gemini. So here I could type in, can you help me write a cinematic video prompt about a team of bakers making the world's largest cookie? Then let's submit that. Right up above, Gemini suggests a much more descriptive version. It includes things like the camera angles, the lighting, the background music, even the pacing. Now here, I could take this as it is and I could paste it into the prompt field, and then I can make tweaks to it to match exactly what I'm looking for. If we scroll down a little bit more, here I have another option. So I could look through that to see if maybe this is a better fit. And all the way down at the bottom, I even have tips on the types of things to include in my prompts to get the best results. So if you're ever stuck or you just want your prompt to sound more epic, just let Gemini do all the heavy lifting. If you ever want to go back and watch a video that you generated earlier, it's super easy. Just look over on the left-hand side of the Gemini interface under Recent, and here you'll see a list of all of your past chats. Here I could click into any one of them, and I see the associated video with that chat. And just like that, we've officially baked the world's largest chocolate chip cookie. Or did we? What's real and what's not? Can we even tell anymore? How do you know this video is real? Don't worry, I'm not generated by Veo 3. At least I don't think I am. How can I prove it? Oh, this face is way too good to be generated by AI.
This is the best cookie I've ever sampled. Flavor, texture, everything is perfect.
Everyone agrees. Kevin Cookie Company cookies are the best in the world. Thousands are lining up for a taste of cookie greatness.
KC!